Alright, back on the water after a couple of days of flooding. We're heading to Jumpinpin for the first time. Never been there before, so I see you out there. Whoa, good job for all those crap caught down there. It's only 7:10 a.m. Not windy at all, but the current is strong. Tide just turned about an hour and a half ago, so water's rushing in from the bay, from outside the ocean. I'm gonna have my first cast, live bait. Well, they were live before, but cast, live bait, or live fish. Oh, hold on. I have sinkers on it. It's a struggling live bait. Swim, baby, swim. Alright, let me chuck this out. No bite. That's not good. Perfect calm water, but no fish. So we're gonna go into the estuary and try it out. But before that, we're gonna pick up the crab pot and see how we go. Anything?
Only a little fella.
We get one blue swimmer every time, I'm telling you. But we're going through this little channel, which is yeah, it looks like an eel.
Okay.
Or a snake.
Fish?
Yep.
Ooh.
That's a fish. Net, please. Net, please. Oh, you joking? All right.
Oh, what the?
Oh.
Hey? Oh. Oh yeah.
Oh.
That's a fish.
Can you grab that other one in front of me that is dangling? Yeah. Thank you. Oh, Taylor.
Yeah.
Can you come? Yeah, oh, you look like it.
Got it.
It's Taylor.
Oh, nice. That's
In the
good
water.
size.
Oh. Jeez, right in front of me. Yeah, bring it in, bring it in. Oh, ray. Do you want to keep the ray?
What do you reckon?
Oh, I don't know. It could still be a ray or a shark.
Ray.
Shark will go like that.
Right. Shark would be
But the head is going. Oh, wow. I've got plenty. I've got 300. Yeah. Oh wow, still going. Whoa! Oh no! It swam behind something and it's gone. Yeah, the swivel and bray taken. But that was still exciting. Hurry up, quick, put one more in before we head home. Anyway, first time out at Jumpinpin, pretty nice. In fact, if you check out my other video of my solo camping, you'll see that I actually camped just about 5 kilometers that way. So I'll put a link up here. It's my solo kayak camping trip. About this time last year I did. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like, share and subscribe button. It's TimWanderer. I'll see you out on the water. Bye. You're spending that precious time on this bird nest of yours. Fishing, not bird nest.
a bit further in.